Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Of a truth, uneasy lies the head that wears the crown. Right now as we speak, Governor Nyesom Wike is really under immense pressure over all the happenings that is going on in Obibo or as the case may be. Right now he has been given an ultimatum that's really very tense as we speak. But before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. While the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, yesterday was given 72 hours ultimatum by the Igbo National Council (INC) to withdraw soldiers from the Oyigbo local government area over the alleged ongoing killings by suspected soldiers. INC President Shilos Godsend spoke to newsmen in Owerri after reports they said were before them, which showed that soldiers were killing innocent persons in the area following the outcome of the NSAS protest. Failure to do that, INC, that's Igbo National Council, said they would drag Wike to the International Criminal Court (ICC). Recalled that Governor Nyesom Wike had said that the destruction of government and private institutions during the NSAS protests in the area were ordered and carried out by members of the indigenous people of Biafra, that's Ipob, and that they were colonizing the area and using it as a base to launch attacks in other places. But the Igbo National Congress disagreed with Wike, that's disagreed with the governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, saying that troops in Oyigbo was on Governor Wike's just to negotiate a vice presidential slot for himself come 2023. INC, that's the Igbo National Council INC, noted with total condemnation the ongoing massacre of Igbo people in Oyigbo local government area, that's LGA of Rivers State, by the bloodthirsty brigades of the Nigerian army backed by the Nyesom Wike-led government of Rivers State. We have noted the treacherous broadcast by the governor Nyesom Wike regarding the activities of the indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB) in Rivers State and arrived on the conclusion that Governor Nyesom Wike is dancing surugede and very soon will be disappointed. We have done the detailed analysis of the treacherous and unholy romance of Governor Nyesom Wike with the bloodthirsty, murderous Nigerian soldiers whom Nyesom Wike has commissioned to massacre the Oyigbo residents. Intelligence available to Igbo National Council (INC) shows that the satanic alliance of Governor Nyesom Wike, with the jihadist Nigerian soldiers was triggered by his inordinate desperate ambition to vie for the vice president in 2023 presidential race. The script is that, as they are now saying, that's NIC, is saying that the script is that Nyesom Wike must show to the jihadists that he has the capacity and the willingness to attack and try to exterminate the Igbo race in Rivers State as a condition to get the support of the caliphate. The Igbo National Council (INC) therefore wishes to advise Governor Nyesom Wike to to go back to School of History and be a good student by reading history in order to be clear-headed of what the outcome of his new alliance will be in 2023. When they finish using him, they will dump him like they dumped Adams Oshomole, Right Honorable Rotimi Chibuike Amechi, Senator Orji Uzor Kalu, and Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, and many others. Finally, the INC therefore called on Nyesom Wike to immediately recall those bloodthirsty killer gangs of the Nigerian soldiers that are rampaging the Oyigbo, killing innocent, harmless Nigerians, while Boko Haram is busy sacking many communities in the northern Nigerian state. Consequent upon the above, will therefore give Governor Nyesom Wike 72 hours from Tuesday, the 3rd of November 2020, to withdraw those murderers disguising as Nigerian soldiers from Oyigbo, or we shall declare a fatwa on Nyesom Wike and also petition him to the International Criminal Court on the offense of genocide. Wow. Now, that's what I mean by uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. Wow, this is quite a strong one right now. Vicky earlier in the day had talked about how there've been slugs here and there trying to bring down his political career, but right now lives are involved. Okay, um, we are still talking about Lekki. Honestly, if you know what is going on in Obibo, they've been on lockdown on coffee for like 10 days, mostly 24 hours. Nothing goes in, nothing comes out. At times I wonder those living in Obibo, how are they surviving? And yet Kofi, some of these families, do they even have the money to stock up foods? How are they living? How is security like there? I will be hearing stories, series of allegations. I don't know how true though. That they keep bringing out children, adults, young adults from the ages of 18 years, young adult male from the ages of 18 years and to 35. I don't know how they did the identification to say that these are Ipob. Honestly, it's a very serious situation. I just feel that uh, at this point, let's water down. The tension is really high. Right now, he has been given 72 hours to remove Nigerian army from Obibo or Oyibo. But if he doesn't do that, INC, that's the Igbo National Council, is actually hell bent on taking him to International Criminal Court over on the issue of genocide over a particular tribe. And when you talk about a particular tribe, they're looking at the Igbo tribe. Uh, too many complications are surrounding this. And what triggered my attention, or what caught my curiosity, I do not know where how INC arrived at that conclusion that Governor Nyesom Wike is already vying for the position of the Vice President of Nigeria. Who is he collaborating with? On what platform? Don't forget that a bit, let's go a little bit political, just a little. Don't forget that your Governor Nyesom Wike is in a PDP, and there's a PDP ticket that they failed to deliver as at 2019, and it looks like that ticket still stands. Of course, I know that there will be another national internal elections here and there to pick the flag bearer. But already they've been, if you check the social media, you keep seeing campaigns already going on for Obita Obi and the former Vice President of Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, for presidency and for vice presidency. And now, if the permutation, as they're saying now, is that Nyesom Wike is hoping to vie for vice presidency in the same PDP, I do not know. He has not debunked it, and he has also not acknowledged it. But I was thinking, the usual political arena is always a case of after the governorship position, they all vie for Senate. Look at what happened to Roger Sowelo Okorocha. After becoming 8 years governor, he moved to Senate. You know, maybe after as time goes on, they will now start thinking of presidency. But it has always been their trend. When they're done with governorship, they go for a senatorial seat. But right now, there's a serious allegation on his head that he's actually, exchanging lives of the Ndibos or the IPOB members in Obibo for his presidential ticket, for his vice presidential ticket. These are allegations that are not yet founded. I do not know how INC got their allegations. I cannot also vouch for it, and I cannot condemn it because I do not know their sources, where they got it from. But I'm actually concerned about the lives. Okay, it's always unwise, it's not proper to do politics on human lives. They don't have duplicate. Whatever politics you play, you can play it on property, you can play it on infrastructure, but please, when it involves human life, please, because it doesn't have duplicate. When lost, it can't be recovered. That's why we're insisting that whatever is going on, whether ICC dragging or whether, please, let there be no more lives lost. There's too much blood already. Please, everyone involved that needs to do the right thing, please do the right thing so that lives will be preserved. We don't value lives in this country, for crying out loud. Please. But that's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in the comment section. What's your take on what INC? This is not Nnamdi Kanu. This is the Igbo National Council. They are also the ones that formulated the Ijele. That's the Lions Walk, the vigilante security group that is ongoing in southeastern states. They are also the same persons that are saying 72 hours is the ultimatum we're giving Governor Nyesom Wike to either withdraw the military troop or face the consequences of being dragged to ICC International Criminal Court. Let's meet in that conversation. Let's interact. Please.